odd birds. Huh? Computer,
Yes, Brint?
what's that sound?
It is a bird.
What kind of bird is awake in the middle of the night?
It is an owl.
Why isn't that owl sleeping?
Many owls sleep during the day and look for food at night.
Oh, wow! Look at it turn its head!
Owls can almost turn their heads all the way around.
Ow! Oh, owls are amazing birds. Show me more amazing birds.
These are parrots.
Oh my! They're so beautiful and colorful. Hey, did that parrot just talk?
Yes, some parrots can talk like people.
Peekaboo! So pretty.
Really? Let me try something. Say, hello.
Hello.
That's amazing! Show me another amazing bird.
That is an ostrich.
Whoa! That ostrich is huge.
Ostriches are the tallest and heaviest birds.
How fast can they fly?
Ostriches cannot fly, but they are fast runners. Ostriches can run over 65 kilometers an hour.
That's really fast. Owls, parrots, and ostriches are amazing birds. Oh, but I'm tired. I'm going back to sleep. You know what they say? The early bird gets the worm.
Unless you are a night owl.
Pappa var djur.